Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the question answers of this chapter Birth. Number 1 is, who was Dr. Andrew? Where was he working? Yes, who was Dr. Andrew? Answer is, Dr. Andrew was a young graduate who had just passed from medical school. He was working as an assistant to Dr. Edward in the small Welsh mining town of Blanley. Yes, who was Dr. Andrew? He was a young graduate of medical school and now he is working as an assistant to Dr. Edward in the small Welsh mining town Blanley. Question number 2. Who was Joe Morgan? Why was he waiting for the doctor when he returned at midnight? Yes, who was Joe Morgan? Joe Morgan was the person who wants Dr. Andrew because his wife Suzanne was expecting a baby and she was having pains before time. So he was there to fetch Dr. Andrew. The answer is, Joe Morgan was a miner working as a driller whose wife required medical attention during delivery. She was going to deliver her first baby almost 20 years after marriage. Joe Morgan was waiting for the doctor to deliver his baby. Yes, now question number 3 is, Dr. Andrew had no idea that this particular night would influence his future career in Blanley. How did he do so? How did it do so? Yes, Dr. Andrew, on that very day, he had no idea that this night, the work he will be performing at night would change his future because it will change his name. It will bring name and fame to Dr. Andrew. The answer is, when Dr. Andrew accompanied Joe Morgan at midnight, he had no idea that this particular night was going to affect his whole future career. The doctor did his best to save Suzanne Morgan and revived the child to give a fresh lease of life to the family. Dr. Andrews' efforts were really commendable and shaped his future because he got recognition after this incident that he is a very great doctor. The question number 4 is, why was Dr. Andrew in a conflicting state of mind? Yes, why was he in a conflicting state of mind? Because he was not having a good time with his girlfriend Christine. Dr. Andrew loved his girlfriend Christine and thought of leading a peaceful life with her by marrying her. But he had been thinking of many unsuccessful marriages. People like Bramwell, Edward. Bramwell is a doctor there, and Edward, who was Dr. Edward? Dr. Edward is the person who is whom this Andrew is assisting. All were living unhappily due to problems in their marriages. So he was in a very conflicting state of mind because of that estrangement between his beloved and him. Dr. Andrew faced the biggest dilemma of his life that night. How did he act and save two lives? Dr. Andrew was called to supervise the first and crucial delivery of Suzanne Morgan. He was tense and short of sleep. Still, he decided to wait. He gave a promise to Joe and his wife that all would be well. But he became nervous to find both the mother and the baby in trouble. He first gave injection to Suzanne. Next, he lifted the stillborn baby, put him in hot water and cold water, and pressed the child's chest. Luckily, he saved both of them. Firstly, on that very night, he decided that he should treat the mother first. And when he put injections and gave her injections, and then when he was sure that the lady is out of danger now, then he shifted all his attention towards the baby, and he also experimented with the baby, that he put the stillborn into the cold water and then into the whole hot water, so that the child could revive. And this occurred as a miracle, and he has luckily saved both mother and the newly born. So these are the 5 questions we will be discussing next questions in the next class. Thank you.